Hi guys, today we are going to solve the question which is asked in Sbi Clerk's May April 2025. So, read the following pie chart carefully and answer the question below. The pie chart shows the percentage distribution of total student boys and girls in five different schools. So there are five different schools A, B, C, D, E, and they have in pie chart their distribution is given. So total student they have given as 8,000. So they have given values A equal to 22, B equal to 17%, C equal to x plus 3%, and D equal to x plus 8%, and 2x equal to E equal to 2x%. To percent means it is 100. So total composition will be 100%. So we will add this and we will equate this to 100% so that we will find the value of x. So 100% equal to A is 22%, B is 17%, C is x plus 3%, value of D is x plus 8%, and E is 2x percent. So both side percentage is there, so we can neglect it and we will find the value of x. So 22 we will write 22 plus 17, x plus 3, x plus 8, and 2x. So 100 equal to 22 plus 17 is 37, 39. Okay, it is 3. So 42 plus it is 50, and x plus x is 2x, 2x plus 2x is 4x, and 100 here 100 minus 50 equal to 4x. So 100 minus 50 is 50 equal to 4x. So value of x is 50 by 4. So 50 by 4 will be 12.5. So 12 into 4 is 48.5 into 4 is 2. So it will be 12.5 into 4 will be 50. So value of x is 12.5. X is 12.5. So now we will total student they have given 8,000. So now we'll find for individuals. So A is so we'll write down here total student in A. Total students in A will be 22% of 22%. So 22% means 22 divided by 100 into 8,000. So it will be 100 here cancel. So 22 into 8 will be 176 and 0 at is it is. So A will be 1760. So total number of students in A. Now total number of students in B. So total students in B, it is 17%. 17% means 17 by 100 into 8,000. 0 cancel. So it will be come out to be 7 into 8 is 136. So it will be 1360. So total number of students in B is 1360. Now we'll find for C. Total students in C. So it is x plus 3%. Means x plus 3 by 100 into 8,000. So x plus 3 means value of x we have found 12.5. 12.5 plus 3 divided by 100 into 8,000. So 12.5 plus 3 will be 15.5 divided by 100 into 8,000. So it will be 20 will cancel. It is 15.5 into 80. So we can write it as 155 into 8. So 155 into 8 will be 1240. So total number of students in C is 1240. In C is 1240. So it is there. Now we'll find for D. Total students in D will be x plus 8%. X plus 8 divided by 100 into 8000. So value of x is 12.5 plus 8 divided by 100 into 8000. So next one we will solve this. For D, 12.5 plus 8 divided by 100 into 8000. So total students in D will be, so 12.5 plus 8 divided by 100 into 8000. So it will be cancel. 12.5 into 8 will be 20.5 into 80. So we can write it as 205 into 8. So it will be 1640. So 200 into 8 will be 1600 and 5 into 8 will be 40. So 1640. So for D, 1640. Now for E, total number of students in E is 2x percent. Total number of students in E is 2x percent of 8000. So 2x by 100 into 8000. So 2 as it is. So yeah, value of x we have found. It is 12.5 divided by 100 into 8000. So it will be 12.5 into 2 will be 25. So 0 cancel. So 25 into 80. So 25 into 8 will be 200. 0 added. So total number of students in E is 2000. Students in E is 2000. So we have just found for all the for A, so total info they have given 8000. So by using this we have found how many students are in A, B, C, D and E by using the given info. So based on this we need to solve the given answer. So I will just note it here. For A, number of students are 1760, and for B, is 1360. This is the total number of students. For C, 1240. For D it is 1640, and for E it is 2000. So we have just noted down a single line for in short for solving us. So we will solve question based on that now. So first question is, total number of students in school B and D together is what percentage more or less than total number of students in school E? So B plus D is how much percent more or less than E? So B and D we will first add. Means they have asked total number of students in school B and D together. So B plus D. So B is 1360, D is 1640. Okay, so it will be, so 13 into 16 is 19. So it will come out to be 3000, and for E it is 2000. So 3000 is how much more or less than the 2000. So we will write required percentage as, so means 3000 is how much greater, more or less than 2000 in percentage form. We need to find it. So we will write here. So 3000 minus 2000, difference on which we are calculating. So it will be 1000, okay, 2000. So in percent they have asked, so multiplying 100. So 1 by 2 into 100. So it will be 50%. So the option will be E. So 3000 is how much, if for compared to 2000, how much it is greater? So 1000 it is greater. So here 2000, 1000 means it is 50% more than E. So B plus D, how much more than E? It is 50%. Since 1000 it is greater, so value of E is 2000, means 2000 is 100%. So 1000 will be 50%. You can solve by this, or you can directly, you can see it is 1000 more. So for E, 2000 may 100%. So 1000 will be 50%. Like that also you can just see it. Guys, next question is, the difference between total number of boys and girls in school C is 170. So they have mentioned the difference between total number of boys and girls in school C is 170, and if the total number of boys in school B is 230 more than that of school C, and they have mentioned school B is there, in that number of boys is 230 more than that of C, and we need to find the ratio of boys to girls in school B. So we need to find ratio of boys by girls in school B. So we will just solve this. So difference between total number of boys and girls in school C is 170. So let us assume B be the number of boys in school C. So we are denoting B as number of boys in school C, and we are denoting G as a number of girls in school C. So they have mentioned their difference is 170. So girls is greater than boys. So we will take girls G minus B as 170. So then it will come plus, since girls is greater, so G minus B will be 170. So it will come plus, means girls are greater, boys are less. So G minus B is 70. So difference between total number of boys and girls in schools is 170, but they have mentioned girls is greater. So to come positive, we need to subtract a lesser amount from greater. So greater is girls, so girls minus boys will be plus. So we can't take boys first because it will come negative. Since girls are greater, we are taken G minus B as 170. So girls we can write B plus 170. So girls will be here minus, so here it will plus B plus 170. So what is for C? It is 1 to 40. So total number of students are 1 to 40, means 12, 140. So total students, total students in C is 1 to 40. From here we have taken 1 to 40. Total students means girls plus boys equal to 1 to 40. So girls are, we have B plus 70, 170, and boys we have denoted it as B. So 1 to 40. So B plus B is 2B plus 170. So 1 to 40. So 2B is 1 to 40 minus here 170 plus, so here it will be a minus. So 2B will be equal to, so 1 to 40 minus 1, 2B equal to 1 to 40 minus 170 is 1070. So B will be equal to 1070 divided by 2, so it will be 535. So 1070 is 535 into 2 will be 107. So value of B is 535. So B is number of boys in C is 535. So number of boys we have found. So number of girls we can found. Number of girls in C will be girls is B plus 170. So B is 535 plus 170. So it will become 705. So 535 plus 170 is 705. So we have found the number of boys in C is 535 and girls 705. So next we what we need to find? They have given if the total number of boys in school B is, if the total number of boys in school B is 230 more than that of C. So number of boys in school B, in school B is um 230 more than that of school C. So 230 more than that of school C. So it will become, so it will become 675. So they have mentioned the question that if the total number of boys in school B is 230 more than that of school C. So number of boys in school B is 230 more than that of uh, C. So it will be 230 plus 535. So 200 plus 500 700, 30 and 35 is 655. 765. Okay, so next is more than then we need to find the ratio of boys to girls in school B. So in school B, so boys we have found. So girls we can find number of girls in school B will be, so total minus number of boys. So in B, total students are there 1360. So 1360 and boys are 765. So it will come out to be 1360 minus it will come out to be 595. So total number of girls in school B is 595. Number of girls in school B is 595 and total number of boys in school B is 765. So we what we need to find ratio of boys to girls in school B. So boys to girls in school B we need to find. So for boys it is 765 and for girl it is 595. So when you solve this 85 in the multiple of 85 we can find 85 into 9 is 785 and 595 divided by 85. So it will come out to be 9 is 9 by 7. So we can write it as 9 is to 7. So I'm not just dividing, I'm directly telling because it will take a lot of time by dividing. So 85 we can try. So if we do by 80 by, it will come out to be 9 is to 7. So our answer will be 9 is to 7 for this question. Guys, next question is the total number of students in school F is 25% more than in C. The ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in F is 19 is to 12. If the number of girls in school F and it together is 1935, then find the difference between number of boys in school E and F. So step by step we will solve. So total number of students in F is, number of student in F is in F is 25% more than C. So it will be 25% more means 125 by 100. So 25% more means we need to multiply by 125 100. So C, for C it is 1240. So we can write as 125, it is 5 by 4. So if we by 25 it is 5 by 4 it will come. So 1240. So it will we can do it. It is 4 ones, 4 threes, 310. So it is 1550 it will come. So number of students in F is 1550. So we have found the number of students in F is that one. So next they have given the ratio of number of boys to number of girls in F is 90 to 12. So ratio of boys to girls is 19 is to 12. So boys to girl. So we can find the we have total number. So we can find the number of boys and girls in F. So boys in F. So individual parts divided by total. So individual for boy is 19 divided by, so 19. So 19 plus 12 is 31 into 1550. So like this we can find the boys in F. So here 31 1550 it will be 31 5s are, so 19 into 50. So 19 into 5 is 95. So it will be 950. So girls we can find in F. Girls in F is individual by total. So girls is 12. So total is 19 plus uh, to 12 is 31 into 1550. So it will be 12 into 50. So 12 to 5 is 60. So it will be 600. So they have given by using the here info, number of students in F is 25% more than C. So 20% C is 1240. So by using this we have found the total number of students in F. And one more info they have given, the ratio of boys to girls in F is 19 is to 12. So by using this we can find this. So boys, how can find? Individual is 19 for boys. So individual parts divided by total parts into total will be boys. So for girls it is individual parts is 12. 12 by total parts into total how much it is there, it will be for girls. So boys we have found and girls we have found. So next info they have again, if the number of girls and F and E together is 1935. So number of girls F plus E is 1935. So for girls it is the number of girls in school F, and it is for girls. F plus is 1935. But we know for F it is 600. F it is 600 equal to 1935. So for E we can find 1935 by 600. So guys, next is 1935 and 600 will be 1335. So this is girls in E. Okay, so girls in E is 1335. So total equal to total in E is so total in E is 2000. So total in E is 2000. So 2000. So 2000 means it is boys plus girls. So girls in E is 1335. So total is boys plus girls equal to 2000. So boys we need to find. So girls is 1335 equal to 2000. So boys will be 2000. Girls is 1335. So it will be 665. So 2000 minus 1400 will be 600. So gap will be 665. So boys in E is 665. So boys in E is 65, girls in E is 1335, and boys in EF is 950 and girls in EF is 600. So up to here we have to found. So last we need to find difference between the number of boys in school E and EF. So we need to find the difference. Boys in school E, boys in E and boys in EF. For the difference between boys in school E and EF. So boys in school E is 665 and boys in EF is 950. So it will come out to be minus 285. Since it is a difference, we can consider it as a positive also. So difference is 285. So this answer is 285. Guys, next question is 25% of total number of students in school A who participated in dance and the rest of the participated in chess. The number of students who participated in chess in school is school E is 40% more than half of the students who participated in chess in school A. Find the average number of students who participated in dance. So we saw step by step. So here we need to find the average of students who participated in dance. So 25% of the total number of students in school A participated in dance. So in school A, how much students are there? 1760. So out of that, 25% student participated in that and remaining student participated in chess. So 25%. So in school A, 25% participated in dance. So we will, so 25% means 2500. So total how many students are there? It is 1760. So 25% means we can write it as 1 by 4, 1760. So it will be 4 the 4 6 the, okay. So 4 6 4 6 is 660. So 660 people, uh okay, it's not 60, it is 440. So 4 into 4 is 16, so it will be 440. So in school at 25% student participate in dance. So 25 percent means 25 by 100 into 760. So 1 by 4 into 1 7 760. So it will be 4 4 is a 16. So a remaining 1. So again 16. So 440. So 440 is 25% of 760. So 25% participated in dance. So 440 people participate in dance and rest the rest participate in chess. So out of total 440 participant dance, so rest will be, so in chess how much will be there? So chess in A will be total minus dance. So they have mentioned in question the 25% participate in dance and rest in chess. So we can find the chess in A. Total how many in A there is? 760 minus in dance how much? 440. So it will be 1320. So chess in A is 1320. So next what they have mentioned? number of students who participated in chess in school is 40 more than the half of the student who participated in chess in E. So in E how much? So in E chess is, so the number of students who participated in chess in school is 40 more than half of the student who participated in chess in A. So 40 more than number of students participated in chess in A. So 40 more than the half of the student participate in chess in A. So in each chess will be 40 plus half of the student. Half of them is in A it is 1320, so half of it. So it will be 40. So it will be 130 divided by 2 will be 66. So it will be 660. So it will be 700. So in E chess will be 1700. So in E dance will be how much? So total will be, total in E is chess plus dance. So dance we can find total minus chess in E. So in E dance will be total minus how much? Chess. So chess we know 700 and total in E is 2000. So in E dance will be, so it will be 1300. 2000 minus 7 will be 1300. So in E chess is 1700 and dance is 1300. So next is, or they have asked us find the average number of students who participated in dance. So in A dance is 450 and in E dance is 1300. So average means we need to take how much quantity divided by that much. So here only A and E is there for A dance people, and for E who participated dance divided by 2. So total 2 are there, so divided by 2. So for AE it is 440, it is 1300 divided by 2. So it will be 1740 divided by 2. Okay, so it will be 2 8s are 870. So average is 870. So our option will be E, 870 will be correct. Hi guys, the next question is find the center angle corresponding to the total number of students in B and D together in degree. So we need to find the center angle corresponding to B and D together. So for B and D we can write, so B is 17, D is x plus 8 and value of x is 12.5. So B is 17, D is x plus 8 and value of x is 12.5. So B plus D will be 17 plus 12.5 plus 8. So 17, it will be 20.5. So it total will be 37.5%. So if it is a circle, total will be 360 degree. So for 360 degree, it is total will be 360 degree and we have assumed it total as 100%. So 360 degree we have considered equivalent to 100%. So for 1% it will be, so 100% equal to 360. So for 1% it will be equal to 360 divided by 100. So we can write it as 3.6 6. So 360 divided by 100, we can write it as 3.6. So 1% will be 3.6. So 37.5 into 3.6. So 360 degree equal to 100% we assumed. So 100% equal to 360. So 1% will be 100. We will move to here. So 0 0 cancel. So it will be 3.1% equal to 3.6 degrees. So so percent we need to convert to degrees. So it is 3.6 degrees. So 37.5 into 3.6 we will solve it. So this 6 into 5 is 30. Okay, 4 5. Okay, it is plus 5 1 1 1 2 5. So 0 0 pass. So answer will be 135. So answer will be 135. So our answer here, it will be come in degrees. So they have answered, we will here degree will make it. So answer is 135 degree. So this is the way to solve the guys. If you have any question, you can comment in chat. Thank you.